Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a very important feature of recently released by Microsoft. That is nothing but Office 365. That is Office 365, where you can actually use your full-featured Microsoft Office, like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and all those applications online without actually having installed on your browser, which will mainly work from your cloud storage, that is nothing but OneDrive. So I'll show you all the features and how to use it one by one, step by step. So let me go to my favorite browser and look for Office 365 login. So mostly I'll be getting the first link itself, office.com. Click the link and you will be right now I have already logged in actually. So if you have not logged in, it will ask you your username and password. You enter that and log into the dashboard. Okay, so here in this you will see all the applications. Yeah, here I forgot to mention you one thing. Right now I have actually used school or organization account, but if you are having your personal account, then also the steps are same. Only some additional features I'll get because of using my school account. So here what you have to do is, here you can see like your Outlook, then your OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all those things, all the applications are available here. So first I'll talk about the cloud storage. So that's what mainly you have to understand first. So in our system, normally what we do, we first install Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office and create the files in our local storage, right? And try to edit or something like that. So here what will I do is, I'll go to this OneDrive is nothing but it is your online storage. Okay, so in this one you can actually create folders and you can create files. You can also upload files and folders. So whatever, even it includes, you can include video, photos, anything else. Okay, so right now what will I do is, I have already created some folders. So you can see like I have created some folders here. So I have created demo folder, and what will I do is, I'll quickly go to create one document. So I can create either a Word document, Excel document, PowerPoint, OneNote, all those things I can do it. So now what will I do is, I'll try to create one PowerPoint presentation here. So it will open in another tab, and you can see here it directly opened to my Microsoft PowerPoint. Now one thing you have to notice here, it is not a part of or online version or something like that. It is the full-featured Microsoft Office online. Okay, so here you can insert table, pictures, all those things are available here. Mainly one important thing I wanted to show, here you can see like you have multiple options to upload images. So you can also use stock images as well. There will be lot of varieties of options for your presentation to be nice. And also you have Bing pictures. So the lot of images you can get it from Bing. So let me just quickly make one PPT. This is a test PPT only for your demo. Let me add one more slide. I'll add the request, please to this channel, also like and share. Okay, this is a simple PPT I have prepared. Also you can see like there are designs are also available. So you can use any slide designs available online. So you see almost this is the full-fledged Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, see, very nice designs are available. So this has been a very good PPT. So what will I do is, I want to show you now how to save this document. So that is the main thing, right? So you can see you need not to save like control S or going to file and save it, all those things you need not to do. It is automatically saved. So wherever you have created the file, right, so same place it has been already saved. So if you close this browser also and open the PPT again, you can see it has been saved there directly. Okay, it opened the same place, so whatever I have created. And it is not only the benefit is not only this, you can actually go to your browser in your Windows or PC, I mean Linux, or in your what do you say, MacBook, or in your phone. Okay, everywhere it will work the same way. Now I'll show you some more interesting thing here, like how to present this. So you can also you have animations and all those things you have here. So just a second, yeah, you can see you have the animations here. Next is I'll try to present this. So you have to go to view and slideshow, and from beginning. So you can see it has become full screen, and the presentation has started. So this is fully online, you need not to download anything. So it is only by a browser. Okay, so go to next page. Okay, so you can see like the animation also has been included on this, right? So I can let me give you some more animations. Okay, first let me give the transitions from one to another. Okay, and then I'll give one animations fly in, and for this I'll give something like okay, now let me try for the slideshow. Okay, so you can see my text has come already. So this numberings you can change. So you already know about this you know how to provide animations. Or else maybe I'll make one more video for this. Now I hope you have understood how to use Microsoft Office Online. So this was a quick video to show Microsoft Office PowerPoint and OneDrive stories. That much only for today. I'll try to create some more videos later on to show you each other applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, and other things. Thank you.